Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where we have to clean up this massive mess from our meal prep. So you would have seen Monday night's video. I did a meal prep Monday and I cooked 3 main meals as well as a fourth, which was the dinner last night. I also did some baking, so we're ready for some snacks for the week. But of course, I've left a massive mess. So yes, I need to clean it up. Last time I uploaded a clean with me video, a lot of people said that they enjoyed it. So I thought, let's just share again. So I'm just showing you that while our kitchen is never perfect, it gets messy like everybody. And I just do a quick general tidy up. I'm attempting to load the dishwasher with dirty dishes. I probably need to watch a video about how to actually load a dishwasher effectively because I just shove stuff in anywhere. Everything gets clean, but sometimes I can hear stuff rattling around in there for sure, so it's a bit crazy. I had to sneak into our office and find some more dirty dishes that don't always make it back to the kitchen. So yeah, hand on heart, that's me. The children are really good with returning the dishes, but mine, I'm a shocker. So yes, do as I say, not as I do. So we've put the dishwasher on because that is something that a lot of people asked me about last video. Do you use your dishwasher? And yes, I do. I had turned it on. I was ready to go the last time I was cleaning, so I just didn't show that bit. Luckily, I had pre-washed some other dishes that were drying, so they were quick to put away, and then I just need to wash the rest of the dishes. It always feels like when I'm cleaning up the kitchen, there's always 1 or 2 things to go here, and then 1 or 2 things to go here, and then here. It's mental. All right, enjoy. Washing these dishes tonight was so funny. I put too much liquid soap in the sink. I added water to our main dishwashing bottle that we have, and of course just heaps came out when I squirted it, and I thought, oh, it'll be right because it's diluted, but obviously not. And so yeah, I've got all this excess of bubbles and everything else, so I'm trying to half rinse and get rid of the excess bubbles as well as other stuff. Yeah, and then I was trying to drain some of the sink and then add in some more water, hoping that it would kind of like settle it down. And I didn't realize that there was actually part of a spoon underneath the plug, and so water starts leaking out, and I'm thinking, why is the sink emptying? It's a bit weird because I couldn't hear it. So yeah, of course I've dropped water all down the front of me and on the floor, and my daughter comes in and she's like, why is the floor wet? And I said, because I've just done the dishes. She's like, okay. Yeah, so few pans that I had to give a really good scrub to. I'm really frustrated with myself that I didn't fill these with water and let them soak when I went to Zumba. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But oh well, we're cleaning it now. Need to finish cleaning this stovetop. There's a bit of a grease and grime from the cooking. I make a mess. So I'm so happy that I can remove all the knobs and all the burners. This makes it easier to clean. I'm just using a microfiber cloth because, tip to the wise, don't use a scrub daddy over near the dials where the words are that say like high, low, etc. It's only printed there and it will bring them off. So just use a scrub daddy and some basic dish soap to help lift off the grease, and it will come up really nicely. I didn't worry too much about scrubbing the black top parts for now. I'll do that another time. So quickly just wiping over the bench and then going to give the floor a quick sweep. I wish cleaning was this quick in general. I make it look so fast. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know if you like to clean as you go Or if you clean at the end of the night, I love doing it at nighttime because it's quiet in the house, and then you get to wake up in the morning to a fresh, clean kitchen and make a mess the next day. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.